I mean, you guys already know I'm kind of in this girly mood right now on the channel. We've been talking about it, how I'm just opening up tons of makeup and clothes and jewelry, and you guys, I am in such a girly mode at the moment. So today we're gonna be doing another girly thing. We're gonna be taking a look at some jewelry today in my latest haul from Jeulia. Now, if you're not familiar with Jeulia, this is an online retailer that sells jewelry. They have all sorts of kinds of jewelry, you guys. They have got a lot of different options. You can do rings and necklaces, bracelets, you name it, they make all of it. They have different styles as well. They have an entire wedding collection, an engagement collection, but then they also have really fun, unique pieces that are going to resemble characters. They also have different like matching charms. You can do best friend necklaces. I mean, literally, there's a lot of options on their website. So today we're going to be taking a look at the order that I placed with Jeulia, and inside this box I've got several new items in here. Jeulia is also having a sale coming up for International Women's Day. So what's great about that is I have a discount code already with this brand, so you can actually partner the two and do a sale and a coupon and get a great discount. So if you want to purchase anything from their website, I will have a master link down below. And basically that link will take you to their entire website. And then you can just search through whatever you're looking for specifically. But then I'm also going to include links for each of the items that I have today in this box. That way, if you want these specific items and be twinsies with me, you can shop and do that also. It's got to be really close to a year. I've been featuring them on the channel previously before, and they're amazing quality. So if you have any doubts, I can tell you from experience that I wear all of my jewelry. It wears well. It does not turn my fingers green or my neck green. This is from a previous unboxing that I did, I think a while ago. It's been a few months. This is one of my favorite rings, but I was looking at the band even, and it looks really good. Like, it doesn't look scratched up or anything. So I can just tell you from experience that the jewelry does hold up really well. So inside of your order, you will receive a few goodies on top. One thing that is super cute, with every order that I've placed, you always get a gift bag. And then inside the bag itself, there is going to be a cloth inside of this little packet here. This is a silver polishing cloth that you can use to polish up your jewelry then. And then the last thing is that they included a blank card. That way, if you are gifting this to someone, you could fill it out and say to who it's for. So I think we're gonna start with the drawstring bag here. So I don't really know what is in which box in here, so we're just gonna pick this one at random and just go with this. So inside, oh, it's my ring. So inside we do have a ring, and it isn't just in a little Ziploc bag here, but look at this adorable ring, you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's got this amazing chocolate band across the top here, and I just thought it was so classy. I really love the rose gold design as well. Now this piece I actually found on their bestsellers page. I was browsing through there and I was like, yeah, I see why these are bestsellers, because they're cute. Isn't that cute? Gosh, I love how that looks. It's just like a little bow. My next box, I believe, has a necklace inside of it. So this is what your gift box will look like here. It's pretty simple packaging, but I do think they are nice, like I said, if you are gifting. So inside, yes, we have my necklace. Isn't it cute? Again, this is on the bestsellers list. And I was like, I totally see why. It definitely has a very trendy look to it. These styles of necklaces are great for layering as well. So you can keep like a simple necklace on and then put another one over top of it to give it a little bit of a dangle. So you can play with these necklaces because they're kind of simple on their own, but then they're great to layer with each other. So that's my goal with this piece, is to just layer it with the existing necklaces that I already have. Now the heart is genuine turquoise. I would never promote to you guys a jewelry brand if their jewelry was $1,000 a piece. It just is not in my wheelhouse here. That is not something I'm going to promote. I'm only going to promote brands that I feel like are affordable. So seriously, Jeulia, while they do have some precious stones on their website, they also have other options available as well. You're not going to be spending, $500 on a necklace. So this is what it looks like here. That's my little tangent on prices. But jewelry is all over the place when it comes to pricing. And believe me, I get it. Who has the money to drop $1,000 on a necklace or something? So I like when I can find good quality jewelry at a reasonable price and the fact that it's going to last me a long time as well. So it makes the dollar amount worth it for me if I can get my money worth out of wearing it a lot. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. So this is the necklace. This is at the very end of the chain as well. So this is the longest that it will be. And like I said, it's meant to layer with other necklaces. Now I love my rings, so I got a couple more rings as well. This next one is so cute, you guys. And guess where I found it? The bestsellers page. I know that sounds like a shock at this point, but I'm telling you, there's a reason why these are on the bestsellers, because when I looked, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get that too. Like, I seriously think they have some of the cutest pieces. So this is the next ring that I have here. It is a gold ring and it has a honeybee on it. And then it does have some crystals placed on it as well. So these are not gonna be real crystals. They're not gonna be diamonds or anything like that. These are all just going to be like your CZ stones, I believe it is. So this is what it will look like. And it's got a few different like bands on there. It's actually really nice that it sits up above your finger just a little bit. But then you can see that little bee, oh my gosh, and his wings. And it kind of gives the idea of like flowers, but it doesn't actually have the flower shape on there. But I mean, it's cute. It does not stand up really tall either. I was a little nervous about maybe the bee standing up too high, but it's not any higher than what my wedding ring is. So this is honestly perfect for me. But do you see what I mean by cute jewelry as well? It's so fun. It's different. I mean, I've not had jewelry from any of the other brands that feature like Disney characters or that have different animals on it or something like that. Like floral bouquets I've had before from this brand. So they have a lot of unique pieces that you don't really find with the other jewelry brands. Now, the last ring that I went with is a showstopper. One of my favorite rings that I have from Jeulia is a flamingo, and it wraps around the ring. And it is so cute because it has the feathers and this gorgeous beak, and it's awesome. It has like all these little pink crystals on it. Love that ring. I have worn it the most of any of the jewelry that I've gotten from Jeulia. This ring is very similar to the flamingo ring, but it's a little bit more over the top, which I love. So this is the next ring that I have here, and it is another flamingo once again, and it's going to complement the other piece. But like I said, it's a little bit bigger and has more feathers on it. So this one, as soon as I saw it, it's a new product. I knew I had to have it, and I loved that other flamingo ring so much that it only made sense that he now has a buddy. So we've got a gorgeous flamingo. You can see the eye there. We've got that gorgeous beak, and it will just wrap around the band, which is a rose gold band. And then you're going to have those gorgeous feathers standing up. So this is what it will look like. Very comfortable to wear. It does stick up a little bit with this one, so keep that in mind. I think the idea is that if you were to wear it where your knuckle is, you wouldn't want to like hit it and it be too tight. So there is some room with that. This one, it's a showstopper. I mean, it is not your everyday ring that you would wear all the time, but it is going to catch everyone's attention. And then as soon as they notice that it's a flamingo, it's like, oh my gosh, you have a flamingo on your hand. So that is everything from my haul from Jeulia. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of my new jewelry pieces? Again, if you guys are interested in either shopping on their website or shopping these individual items, I will be posting links down below for you, and that way you can check all of them out. Now, keep in mind, like I said, they have lots of different styles, so if you're not into the jewelry that I have here today, I know there is something for everyone on there. So So if you don't like the whimsical or the really flashy rings or the character rings, don't worry, they have other things available too. That's just me. I did see on their website that they have a lot of new jewelry items added as well, and I'm so glad because in the little magazine that they sent over, they've included some of these new pieces. So for example, like I said, if you're not into the whimsical rings, they have a whole new floral garden collection. Look at these earrings. Are those not cute? So seriously, there's a lot of options with this website. So I've got all those links listed down below for you guys, and my discount code is down there as well. So if you would like to go shopping, you can save yourself a little bit of money. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!